In environments where failure is inevitable, safety communication needs to be impeccable. We introducing the DP30 4-tone digital siren from Diponto. The effective solution for alerts and precise signaling. With 4 factory preset tones: siren, beep, high-low, and sweep. The DP30 adapts to your needs. In the industry, start of shift warning to the safety alert, the DP30 4-tone siren ensures each message is heard clearly and loudly. In the field to hydroelectric plant, in the agribusiness, you can use the beep tone to signal specific processes or specific situations, ensuring team coordination. In cases of a fire, we suggest the high-low tone for an unmistakable sound, guides evacuation, saving lives with its clarity and urgency. And in mining companies where safety is a constant concern, one suggestion is the sweep tone, providing a clear warning for equipment movement or hazardous areas. With precise volume adjustment, the DP30 blends seamlessly into any environment, from the quietest to the noisiest, ensuring the ideal alert intensity. The DP30 4-tone digital siren from Diponto is the choice for those seeking efficiency, flexibility, and the assurance that the alert will always be understood.